Three, two, one, start. Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. Non-examination of Caesar list witnesses. Examination of Caesar list witnesses is vital to prove the search and seizure. Mere attestation of Caesar list by two persons is not sufficient. They are required to come in dock to prove the search and recovery. Their non-examination throws doubts on genuineness of the seizure and search, which cuts the very root of the prosecution story. In that case, only conclusion would be that if they were examined, they would not have supported the search and seizure. Full stop. Raises presumption from illegal possession of contraband articles regarding commission of the offence under Chapter 4 of the Act. Full stop. Sections 14 and 18 recognition earlier recognition granted by state valid up to 6 months after coming into force of the act and thereafter it lost its force only the NCTE could grant recognition. Thereafter, in the present case, the NCTE directed the Eastern Regional Committee to re-examine the matter for recognition, a fresh matter, pending direction issued to decide the matter within the period of 2 months. Full stop. Articles 21 of Constitution of India. Preventive detention, delay in disposal of representation, a constitutional protection is given to every détenu by way of liberty to make a representation against detention. It also imperils the authority to whom the representation is addressed to deal with the same with utmost expedition. Representation is to be considered in its right perspective, keeping in view the fact that detention is based on subjective satisfaction of the authority concerned, and infringement of constitutional right conferred under Article 22 invalidates the detention order. Personal liberty protected under Article 21 is so sacrosanct and high in the scale of constitutional values that it is the obligation of detaining authority to show that impugned detention meticulously accords with the procedure established by law. Full stop. Section 3. Preventive detention. In case of preventive detention, no offence is proved nor any charge is formulated, and justification of such detention is suspicion or reasonability, and there is no criminal conviction which can only be warranted by legal evidence. Preventive justice requires an action to be taken to prevent apprehended objectionable activities, but at the same time, a person's greatest of human freedoms, that is, personal liberty, is deprived, and therefore laws of preventive detention are strictly construed and a meticulous compliance with the procedural safeguard, however technical is mandatory. Compulsions of the primordial need to maintain order in society, without which enjoyment of all rights, including right of personal liberty, would lose all their meanings, are the true justifications for the laws of preventive detention. This jurisdiction has been described as a jurisdiction of suspicion, and the compulsions to preserve the values of freedom of a democratic society and social order sometimes merit the curtailment of the individual liberty. No law is an end itself, and curtailment of liberty for reasons of states' security and national economic discipline as a necessary evil has to be administered under strict constitutional restriction. Stop.